Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Cinemagraphs in CapCut PC. So you can start by adding the clips that you want to edit, and in this case, I'm adding this video of someone pouring an ice into glass, and I'm going to make that the glass is won't fall into the glass in here. So I'm going to freeze the moment where there is only a glass in here. I'm going to click on freeze, and I'm going to put the freeze frame at the top, and I'm going to put it where the movement start. For example, okay, in here, let's see it. Then you can use masking. Here, click on the freeze frame and go to mask. I'm going to use the the horizontal, put it on top of the glass like this, and let's see if the position is right. You need to click on invert. Let's see. And as you guys can see here, the eyes don't fall on the glass. It will create the cinemagraphs like this, so the eyes is gone. And that's pretty much it. You can just adjust the duration of the freeze frame, and this is the result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.